Okay, so I'm gonna throw this down. Then you're gonna watch. Okay? So then my brother's gonna throw down one, and then I'm gonna throw down another one. Okay, so bye. No, not bye. That was a fail. Now it's his turn.
5, 4, 3, 4, 5.
That was another fail. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to get that. And well, I fixed it really quick. Okay, sorry. That's a little fail. So the other one's a little damaged and stuff. So I'm gonna throw it, and then my little brother's gonna go get it, and then he's gonna throw it. So ready, set, go. Woo, that one's good. Now he's gonna go get it while I throw another one. Dip. Okay. Woo. And I'll get that. Okay, Asher, get the one on the couch. Asher, there's one on the couch. So, yeah, my dad's watching something that we can figure out. Yeah, I don't really know. Okay, so back.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw mine, and then he's gonna throw his.
No, we're going to throw both together.
No, that's okay. Fine. So I gotta step back a little. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, mine won. Now go pick them up. Okay, we're gonna walk down the stairs.
Yes.
All right. He's gonna throw them while we walk down the stairs, and I'm gonna tell him something. So I'm just gonna pop. Okay, now take it, and then when I say ready. Okay. Do it. Ready, set, go. And then I guess we're gonna do this for some fun. You guys might like it. Okay, so I'm gonna put a pillow down just in case. And well, I'll try it. But you guys might not like it. I just want to see if you guys like it. We're gonna go super high. Cause you like that, don't you? Nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna. Okay, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Well, sorry, I'm gonna make Olaf talk because we got no one to play with.
Okay.
If you like, just hit like and subscribe. Okay, bye. Sorry, bad Olaf voice. You know what I mean.